Now 10 0 0 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is answer? We write point two places from here and it is 9.20. We add the point from two places from the right. Okay, so it's 9.20. Rupees 9.20 is our answer. Now students, look at the question number 4. Complete this table. It is given in long form, rupees 95 and 45 paisas, and we have to write short form. As I have told you, what we will write it in the short form. First we write here rupees and 95. Now we put point, and after point we write paisas value, so it's 45. So it means rupees 95.45. Now short form is given and we have to write it in long form. We will write it as is rupees 108. So we write here 108. And how many paisas? After point it's paisas, so it means 20 paisas. Rupees 128 and 20 paisas. Now look at this. Here we have short form rupees 86.75. We have to write long form. It's rupees. First one is before point, it is rupees, so 86. And how many paisas? It's 75 paisas. Again rupees 114. Rupees 114 and 5 paisas. Students, same like this you will complete this table. Where short form is given, you have to write long form, and where long form is given, you have to write short forms. I hope you will understand it, how to write short form and long form. Look at this, how you will write it in short form. It's rupees 982.35 paisas. Rupees 982.35 paisas. And here you have rupees 643.00. You have to write it in long form. So what you will write here? It's rupees 643 and 0 paisas. In after points it's 0, so it means 0 paisas. Same like this, it's rupees 99 and 0 paisas. Now look at question number 5. Complete the table. Here you have, look at this, it's 20 rupees, it's 1 rupees, and how many paisas? It's 25. So 20 plus 1 is 21 rupees and 25 paisas. Now we will write it as rupees 21.25. After point you will write paisas value, so it's 25 paisas. Now look at this in B part. How many rupees? It's 10 rupees and 50 paisas. So what we will write here? We will write here 10 rupees and 50 paisa. Now we will write it as rupees 10.50. Rupees 10.50. Now look at this. How many rupees? Count it. It's 100 rupee note. Next 2 rupees and 1 rupee. So it's 102, and 102 plus 1, it's 103. So how many rupees? It's 103 rupees. And as paisas are not given, so we write just rupees 103. Now we will write it 103 rupees, 103 rupees. Now we will write it as it's rupees 103. As we have paisas, no value of paisas, so we write here 103.00. So it's rupees 103.00. students, same like this you will solve D and E part by yourself. First of all, you will count the value rupees and write it, and after that write short form. Okay, so students, this is your today's work. Do your work and send it to me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.